Ali, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Highlander Affiliate. If you don't know me, we are doing affiliate marketing and earning 5 to 10k per month with the affiliate marketing. So if you want to know more about that, there will be a link in my description. You can check over there. So let me tell you about this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Canva, and this is totally free. And if you want to upgrade, and you can do that as well, and have eligibility for using all the features in this. So I will be leaving a link down below in my description for 30-day free trial. You can go over there and sign up yourself free. So make sure you stay with me in this video. I'm going to show you some things that you can do like totally free. So once you over here, you just have to make sure you sign up first. And sign up, for the sign up you will fill your name and email, and you will they will send you a confirmation email. You just verify it, and that's all you have to do. And once you in the Canva, you will see your page something like this. Okay, so see guys, so this is like an overview video. Okay, you don't have to be confused. So there's so many options what you are going to do in this. So okay, you have infographics as well. Like infographics is like you can post on Pinterest, you can post on TikTok, you can post on in your stories, like they have something like this. So see guys, so many things over here. If you want to customize, you can customize as well. So you will see so many new options like TikTok video, Facebook. So if you want to make a video, you can choose this one. If you want to make a Facebook post and Instagram story, so I will give you a trial as well. So let me, okay, suppose I want to make a YouTube banner. So what I will do, so you can either come here and find YouTube banner over here. If you find it hard, and you will just come over here, create a design. So before that, let me show you my designs what I have made until now. So this is my designs. As you can see, I've been making some designs over here. So I make some videos, and this is like I have upgraded. So upgraded, once you upgraded, you will have an option to remove the background of your picture. So let's jump into the video, and let me show you like a YouTube thumbnail if you want to make. Okay, so you will have uh, the dimensions something like this, like 24 by uh, something. Okay, so I will choose any banner over here, or if you want to create your own banner, you just come in the background. Okay, you can choose any background you like. So once you click on anything, so it will show over here. All right, so that's for the like the fruits. Okay, if you are into the health section, if you are in the astrology, you can choose something like this. Like I'm going to, okay, so I'm going to make my next YouTube video. So let's go for that. So I'm going to make on beacons.ai. So what I will do, I just click on beacons. Let me come over here, beacons.io. So I will search that one. Okay, it's not available. Why it's not available? Okay, let's check again. Beacons. Okay, beacons.io. So you just come over here, you can choose anything. Dot AI logo. So as you can see, I have found some logos, and this is totally free. Okay, so let's choose this one looks good. So what I will do, I will just download this one in my desktop. Okay, so on the desktop I will download it. Okay, this is downloaded already, and I will go back over here, and let me choose another background for this. Okay, that looks good. So this is like just a water. Okay, what I will do, I will just come in upload and upload media, and the picture I have downloaded over here. I will just click here, and this will be here uploaded over here. And after this filled up, So you just click on this and you will have over here. Okay, so you won't have this option until you upgrade your account. So I have upgraded. I'm paying like $17 per month, and you can use totally free for 30 days. After it will be free, but you won't have this option like what I'm going to do now. So I will click on the background and it will remove the background for me, and which is going to be very lovely. And as you can see over here, so beacons. So let me put my this video over here, and I will click on edit, and I will just remove the background. Okay, so this takes a little bit time, but it will be done very soon. So I will take on the top, and I will just put this one like this. Okay, so look guys, so this is like looking something now. So there's so many other photos you can choose from here. If you want to choose something like a digital, you can use, just click on digital, and you will have something like this, and you can choose this one. Okay, so you will just remove the background. Okay, so there's so many other things you can do, like for next 30 days. If you sign up today, like you will have 30 days. So this is something like, it's not that perfect, but it's something is looking. So I will just click it down, and that's all guys. You have just be creative and keep looking on things, and I will just delete because I didn't like it. Alright, I will take my time. As you can see, I had created something. Let me show you. Okay, show more. Okay, here you can see I have created this. So this took me like 5 to 10 minutes. You can take your time and you can create something like this if you want, if you have time. And that's all guys. Thank you for staying in this video, and let me introduce myself again. So this is Navjot Singh Mali, and we are doing affiliate marketing. If you want to know more about it, there will be a link in the description. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you. Bye bye.